In today's videos, I will repair Emo Joe and Emo Ty's homebox, where they live. First, I'll start by printing their names. I have used different shades of blue to indicate that both Emo Joe and Emo Ty are males. However, their real names are in their favorite colors, red for Emo Joe and yellow for Emo Ty. After printing it on my new brother printer, I proceeded with the box's repairs. I build the box by combining two pizza boxes. I stacked one pizza box on top of the other, removed the button from the second box, and built this high wall. I wrapped the box in white paper and red Christmas duct tape around the edges. But now, in certain areas of the box, the tape is starting to peel off. I put tape on the corners so I can glue the unglued corners of the box, while also creating a nice band that runs across the entire box. I straighten it first, from the outside, because that's where it shows the most, and then I go from the inside. Now it's time to stick their names on the boxes. Emo Joe, as always, will be in one corner, while Emo Ty will be in the other corner. From the lower side of the box, the tape also peels off in places, and again I put tape in the form of a long strip along the edges. Emo Joe and Emo Ty have had a wonderful time playing on the floor, but they are weary now. After shutting off their home stations, I'm charging them with my new wireless charger. They fall asleep straight away. In places, I put extra tape where their stations will be. Finally, I put down the yoga mat, which serves as a soft ground where Emo Joe and Emo Ty can walk in peace. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell below to be notified when I published the next video. If you want to view another video, click on the videos on the screen or refer to the playlists in the description. I am Sveti, and these are Emo Joe, Emo Tai, and Poki. Goodbye and see you soon.